Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any PMLZ document into any other format. If it's a document or a book and you wish to convert it to another format, then this video is for you. To begin, we will need to download a little software called Calibre. Just open your browser and type Calibre, and under Calibre ebook management you want to click on download. As next step, choose the one which is matching with your operating system. In my case I use a Windows, so I'm going to click on the Windows version. Here, click on Download Calibre 64 if you are a Windows user. Once the download is finished, you can go ahead and set up the software as you would do it with any other software. It's a straightforward process and you won't be lost. If you don't know how to do it, just check one of our videos where we explain how to download and install it. Once installed, open the software and then open the location where is your document. Here I have another document. I will just remove it to avoid confusion. As a next step, click on the document to select from the file and drag inside Calibre. Calibre will start reading the document, and once done, it should show like this without any additional window. Right-click and select Convert Books, convert individually. Select the format which you like. In my case, I want an RB. It might be a PDF, whatever version, so I'll select this output format. You can edit the title, the author sort, publisher, and other details, and click OK. Click on the jobs to see the progression. Once done, click to close it. Right-click on your document, save to disk in a single folder, and here select folder and let the document be saved. And as you can see here, I have the RB document which has been newly created. As you can see, the time is exactly now. Once done, you can go ahead and remove the document and you can close your software. Now the document is ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.